Alright guys, we're at the Valley thrift store. It's Sunday, not sure if I'll even get anything in here, but we're gonna give it a try because we ain't out this way too often. Hey guys, just pulled this off the shelf. This is a Canon WP1 Sure Shot. I've opened it up, it's in there. It's got the straps, the box and everything. I've sold one of these before. They sell for good money. This is at least 75 bucks. It's paying $1.99. We will take that. Just found this. I've never seen this before. This is called Cool Gear. I want $5 for it. What it is like a chair you could take fishing or anywhere. And it folds up and there's a cooler inside of it, like a ice pack thing in it. Pretty cool. Probably gonna grab it for $5. Hi. Hey. Are you guys hungry? You guys hungry? Oh. Alright. Get him a carrot, buddy. Get him a carrot. Is them carrots? Get 2 of them. Gotta share. Look, down here. They don't see you. They see you. Keep going. Give him one. Oh. Yummy. Is that good? Is that good? Hey guys, we're just getting back from the Valley thrift store. I'll show you what I got. Didn't really get to do a recap in the store or nothing, so we got home. I'll show you what we grabbed. What'd you get, buddy? You gonna show him what you got first? This is gonna be for his birthday, so he can't have it yet. It's a big box of Minecraft, big bag of Minecraft stuff. What's some cool stuff in there? You got a chest there?
No, it's a crafting table.
Crafting table, my bad.
Yeah, because look.
Oh, okay.
2 sticks and 2 diamonds.
Who's that big guy?
It's a golem.
Golem?
It's a zombie on fire. When it's nighttime and it becomes morning, zombies that go on fire.
Cool. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff in there, guys. Bunch of little figures.
And a sword that doesn't even go to it.
I can use it.
And there's like
yeah, I had to pay up for this a little bit. It was $18.99, but this stuff's expensive. If you got kids, you know. So definitely gonna have fun with that. It's your birthday, ain't you? Because what kind of party are you having?
Minecraft.
He's having a Minecraft party. He's bummed because he wants this now. But he's gonna have to wait like a good boy. Alright, let's see what else I found there. Picked up this Sherlock Holmes action figure. It goes for about 25 bucks. It's a little beat up, and of course they had the stick staples through it, which is kind of aggravating. So I'm thinking 15 to 20 on this one. Paid $4. This I learned from Garage Trips recently. I probably would have bought it anyways, but he had one of these, and somebody told him one of these bases, I think his one had water in it. But people told him it was worth money. I think he sold this for 35 bucks. This one is the set 6020, which you can find, or 6024, which is on the back. Type in Lego 6024, and it helps you find out what it is. I think this goes to the Dark Forest set or something. One has sold for 75 before. This does have a few of the pieces. Not sure if they go with it or not. I'm just going to sell it as is. But for $3.99, I'm thinking at least 40 bucks on him. Then we got this a Whirlpool ice and water filter. This stuff's always good. It's new. The box is just a little beat. Paid $5 for it. Should get around 25 for it. This is really cool. And speaking of cool, it's called Cool Gear. I've never seen one of these before. But this is something like you can take to an event and it turns into a seat and a cooler. This is probably what, from the 80s? I mean, look at them colors. It's definitely 80s, right? So, see if I can get it open here. The seat folds up. Strap here. Seat folds up like that. Then you got a cooler. Inside's pretty clean. The outside really needs scrubbed. I mean, this looks new, but it was probably just, you know, drag around from house to house, sit in the garage. I mean, this ice pack, fill this with water and it keeps your stuff cool in there. So, I mean, this is pretty awesome, I think. It's not my color, but it's pretty cool, man. Definitely needs some cleaning up, but these sell for anywhere around, look like 30 to 60 bucks. Some people were charging astronomical shipping, so that's why theirs hasn't sold yet. But clean that guy up, paid $4.99 for it. This was also a great score. I'm surprised this was sitting there. Maybe just by the box, people didn't look in it. It's a Canon. This is a WP1, right? Sure Shot. And it looks in almost new condition. I mean, got the strap. Got the case. I mean, this looks new, like nobody even used it. Look at that. Like I said, I could probably get 75 bucks for this with the box and case and everything, easily. Paperwork's in there. So that was a great score for $1.99. The way they price things at the store just makes no damn sense. $1.99, $18.99. So, I don't know. I guess I just probably got a bunch of different people pricing things in there. So that was an awesome stop. I spent, with his stuff, like 40 something bucks. Easily gonna make that back. What's up, guys? I went to Goodwill today on the way back from my dad's cabin, but I didn't have my GoPro or nothing with me. But I actually scored some pretty cool stuff there, and let's get into it. I bought this Wilderness Family. They're like fully posable bears. This is made by Danny First. It's from 2002. Couldn't find no info on this at all. No solds, no listed, nothing on WorthPoint. So I took a chance on it, you know. Somebody might like it, have some nostalgia for it. Paid $4 on it. We'll see what happens. Same thing with this. There's none listed on eBay, sold, or for sale. There was a sold listing on WorthPoint from years ago. I think it's sold for like 25 bucks. It's brand new. Got a little bit of plastic rip. But it's a Guinness Book of World Records puzzle. So, made in USA. So, I paid $4 for that. I think I can make some money on that for sure. We picked up this Shrek minifigures Duloc Dungeon Crew. This was, what, $6? And it sells for around 40. So, this is from 2001, so it's pretty old. So, that's pretty cool to find. This was one of the gambles I took today. I have no clue. These are size 17 shoes. They are Adidas Adiprenes. But it has like some, I think that's pretty sure that's somebody's nickname maybe that was on the team. Don't know if it's a star player or not, but it just says Juice. It says it on both shoes. It's from 2004. I seen a comp of like somebody selling the exact same color shoes. Wasn't the size. Didn't say that on there. So I got to do some more research on them, but I ended up paying $12 for them, but we'll see what happens. I mean, I'm sure somebody's got size 17 feet. It's hard for them to find some shoes, so maybe I can clean them up, make some money on it. If any of you guys know who that could be, let me know. It'd be cool if it was like somebody from North Carolina or something, but doubt it. We got these Swamp People bobbleheads. Now, I stopped at a Goodwill down in Harrison, Ohio on the way home, and this older gentleman, there was 4 of these there, and he grabbed them all up. These actually will go for some good money. because they're not very common. My dad watched this show. I may have seen it a couple times. But this is Swamp People. I got 3 of the Troy Landrys, and I got 1 Bruce Mitchell. So these were all $3 a piece. I'm gonna sell like the 2 different ones together, and then maybe, you know, have a single listing for the other 2 of those. So I think I'm gonna make some money on that. Picked up this Anne of Green Gables, the sequel. I'm pretty sure I sold this DVD before for like 25 bucks. That was $3. We got this Marple Series 3. This one I'm pretty sure has been open. It's been taped back with plastic. Pretty sure. But then they had another one that was sealed. I've seen comps of this one sealed go for $40. I'm thinking 25 on that. Or we might just bundle them together. So they charge $6 for their seasons, which kind of stinks, but what can you do? So if they're not really worth it, we ain't buying them. And this was the score of Goodwill here. I never find stuff like this, especially at Goodwill. But we got this vintage Kenwood solid state AM/FM stereo receiver. Model number KR-6020. Now, there's no comps on this at all. Nothing on WorthPoint, nothing on eBay. It does power on. All the knobs seem to work and are in nice condition. All the buttons seem smooth. The tuner moves pretty good. I miss these old receivers, man. My dad's got tons of this stuff, but... So this was 15 bucks. I would safely assume if it works, I haven't tested it yet, but that's a couple $100 receiver. So just wanted to share that quick trip to Goodwill. Think I did pretty good. I think I was like 76 bucks all in, so I'm sure that would cover that, no problem. Hey guys, that's going to end it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. I found some cool stuff at the thrift stores. I didn't get a bunch of this stuff listed because it's towards the end of the year, and with the post office really far behind, it's kind of unmotivated me from listing stuff. I'm just kind of taking a break. Kind of did that last year. I kind of took a little break in December. So I'll put some sold comps and stuff should be up on here. But anyways, hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. The giveaway will be in the next video. I want to give people a little bit more time. I just thought I'd throw in a middle of the week video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Peace out from the Shad Juice. Later.